Over the past 9 years, Tenovus has had chemotherapy units that have gone out into the community, providing infusion and injection services for patients closer to home. The piece of work that the University of South Wales is doing is enabling us to give better thought as where best to locate our units.
Geographic information systems are computer systems which allow us to map different types of facilities. People want their services as local as possible, and what we're doing is based on things like cancer incidence and improving accessibility, which would be the best locations for these particular vans under a number of different scenarios.
This is completely free and open source, so it's being developed for Tenovus in partnership with Tenovus, but it will be for anybody. If a different organisation, say Breast Cancer Wales for instance, wants to use it, they would be able to change the software slightly so that it would work just as well for them as it does for Tenovus, but it will be free to anybody in the world.
It's really important that we use this resource because for the Wales NHS and for Tenovus, our resources are finite. For patients that are going through their treatment, it is stressful in its own right. So whatever we can do to reduce the amount of travel time that people have going for their treatments is of great benefit to them. And we know that the less stress that people are under during treatment, the better their outcomes.